and welcome everyone. My name is Muzaffar and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical Tech. Friends, today I have this Nokia 225 4G keypad mobile phone in blue color. In the box, we should see Nokia 225 4G keypad mobile phone itself, a battery, quick start guide, and micro USB charger. At the back of the box, we should see a couple of many features like 4G HD calling, 4G network, VoLTE, Opera mini browser, rear camera VGA 0.3 megapixel, 2.4 inch QVGA display, and wireless FM radio. We also get games English with Oxford app, Facebook, video player, MP3 player, Bluetooth 5.0, micro SD card support up to 32 GB, and torchlight. I had been brought from Amazon.in and the price of Nokia 225 4G keypad mobile phone is rupees 3,749 rupees and the MRP is rupees 4,399. Friends, this Nokia 225 4G keypad mobile phone has many specs: dual SIM with long battery life up to 6 hours 21 minutes, multiple games, and premium finish design. Let's start this phone. About this item, discover a wired fix that comes with 4G Lite, clear call quality, seamless sharing and multiple gaming. Get more out of your phone with long-lasting battery life, signature steadiness, backlight control key, carved back, easy grip, edge and glossy, hand-coated color, regulation, QHD and no hybrid SIM slot. Beat boredom with the built-in camera. You can see the photo quality are good. You can see the wireless FM radio. Very good quality. And also good the sound quality. And a variety of great games. You can see many games are available like Doodle Jump, Nitro Racing, Crossy Road, Arrow Master, Cosmic Escape, Football Trophy, Super Pet Twist. This Nokia 225 4G keypad mobile phone weighed at 90.1 grams and the dimension height 13.7 into length 124.7 and wide is 51 mm. Friends, we also go for other colors like black and sand. On the final conclusion, this Nokia 225 4G keypad mobile phone is quite good and the build quality are also good. Check it out, this Nokia 225 4G keypad mobile phone. Links are description box below in the video. Friends, please tell me in the comments box. Actually, this Nokia 225 4G keypad mobile phone is looking good or bad. Finally, this Nokia 225 4G worth it or not. Check it out, other videos on the Windows box, short videos on the card upper side right. So if you all of you enjoy this video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe Technical Tech, this YouTube channel. Friends, lot more content coming soon.
Thank you for watching Technical Tech.
Take care and goodbye. I will see you soon in the next video.